Howdy, it's been a little while since we did that other video on 3D printing out a brace for this battery. Sorry about that, got busy with a lot of other stuff. So here it is, printed all out. You can see it fits in here just perfect. Nothing, no changes have been made to it since you saw the first video. It's held in place nice with the straps. I had printed out for a previous project a little battery thing here, but you can use anything as a space filler in here, but this will hold in place. Yeah, that was a great design, great concept, worked well. Something totally in my brain we just whipped out, you saw in the video, put it on there. Now, for the next step would be to adjust or make changes to this part so that you could actually put the battery anywhere in here and have it held in place. This much shorter battery. Normally these batteries are, of course, typically go way back into here. There's some foam in here already. And the easiest way probably to do that would be to put a slot in here, just the right width for a screw with the washer on top, and then a little stopper on the other side that the screw goes into that would keep the battery from moving around. And that wouldn't be hard to do. You could move these, make these wider. You could make this wider and do that. There's a few options. And this was a very simple part, just being one flat piece. So the other part would be very simple with some holes in it. And then we would make a different stopper thing to put the screws in. And this, as far as 3D printed parts go, this is a pretty simple thing. You could make this out of routed out material with the router, with the CNC, or even just a Dremel or something like that. You could make this same part without too much difficulty. Also show back here one of our 3D printed braces we have for the transmission. That's a part we've sold for many years. I don't know if we'll ever even sell this or not, but we may actually put the file up for download, and people can download the file, and if they want to print out their own, they can. Doesn't matter to me any. I just don't. I don't think there's that much demand for this, but we'll put it out there if people are interested. Let us know. But yeah, this really simple thing shows what you can do. Just whip up real quick and print on your 3D printer for your RC car or anything else you got. You just get the Fusion 360 and you got something. Have a good day. Bye.